Hello everyone. These are Energizer Max AAA alkaline batteries, 1.5 voltage, mercury free, and leak resistant, long lasting power. I ordered these online. We want to replace the battery on Habotest sound level meter. So I ordered 2 pack. So negative goes to this. The center one, negative goes to the bottom. On the right side, negative goes to the top and the positive on the bottom. Then you put the cover, switch this on. Energizer battery and Habotest sound level meter. Order this online. So this is how to replace the battery. Thank you.